What happens when you eat peanuts every day? Eat peanuts every day and see how your body changes. Welcome back to Bestie. Fun fact, peanuts are not actually part of the nut family, but rather a member of the legume family, similar to peas and beans. Despite their deliciously crunchy and nutty taste, peanuts have a number of health-promoting properties that are often overlooked. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of eating peanuts on a daily basis. We'll cover everything from increased energy levels, improved mood, muscle building, and blood sugar regulation to reduced cancer risk and more. Be sure to watch the entire video to learn all about the amazing benefits of incorporating peanuts into your daily diet. 1. Boosts energy. Peanuts are a great source of both protein and fiber, which can aid in the conversion of carbohydrates into energy. With approximately 25% of its total calories coming from protein, peanuts offer a substantial source of this vital nutrient. Additionally, the combination of fiber and protein found in peanuts slows down the digestive process, leading to a steady release of energy throughout the body. As a result, peanuts can make for an excellent snack option when feeling fatigued. We'd love to hear from you. In the comments section below, let us know when you typically experience the most significant drop in your energy levels and how you cope with it. Do you turn to coffee, snacking, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts with us. 2. Promotes heart health. Regular consumption of peanuts may offer protection against coronary heart disease, as demonstrated by research showing that they can help to lower levels of bad cholesterol, which contributes to plaque formation in the blood vessels. Peanuts are also rich in resveratrol, a compound that has been shown to combat heart disease. Additionally, a study found that regular consumption of peanuts can help to reduce triglycerides, which further promotes heart health. This can be attributed to the presence of monounsaturated fatty acids, folate, and magnesium in peanuts. Interestingly, peanuts have also been found to increase levels of good cholesterol. 3. Protects against gallstones. Gallstones are tiny particles that develop in the gallbladder, as the name suggests. Certain individuals are at a greater risk of developing gallstones, including women, overweight individuals, those over the age of 40, and those who consume a diet high in calories and refined carbohydrates. However, research indicates that the consumption of high levels of nuts, specifically peanuts, can reduce the risk of gallstones by as much as 25%. To minimize your risk of developing gallstones, it is recommended that you consume at least one serving of peanuts or other nuts daily. 4. Supports weight loss. Peanuts can aid in weight loss through several mechanisms. Firstly, their high fiber and protein content can increase feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake. Although peanuts are calorically dense, some of the fat they contain is resistant to digestion and not fully absorbed by the body. Furthermore, consuming peanuts has been shown to increase resting energy expenditure, resulting in an overall increase in calorie burn. Including peanuts in a meal plan geared toward weight loss may be a helpful strategy for achieving your goals. 5. Has antioxidative properties. Peanuts are a rich source of various plant compounds and antioxidants. Many of these beneficial compounds are present in the peanut skin, making it advisable to consume them raw to obtain the maximum benefits. Examples of such plant compounds include resveratrol and phytosterols, which have been shown to inhibit cholesterol absorption, as well as isoflavones and phytic acid typically found in plant seeds. 6. Lowers cancer risk. Consuming peanuts has been linked to a lower incidence of colorectal cancer, likely due to the presence of isoflavones, which possess anti-cancer properties. Additionally, research suggests that peanuts can help to lower the risk of postmenopausal breast cancer and prevent the development of gastric and esophageal cancers. Nevertheless, there are concerns regarding the potential contamination of peanuts with mycotoxins produced by certain types of fungi. These mycotoxins have been linked to an increased risk of liver cancer. 7. Contains copper. Copper is a vital micronutrient that is often overlooked in dietary considerations. It is required for several critical physiological processes, including the formation of essential enzymes that regulate energy production and neural activity. Inadequate copper intake has been linked to numerous health conditions, with even mild deficiencies increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Conversely, consuming sufficient copper may help to lower harmful cholesterol levels. A serving of peanuts, approximately a quarter cup, contains 1 microgram of copper, which equates to 47% of the daily recommended intake for this essential mineral. 8. Good for skin and hair. Peanuts are great for your skin, thanks to their monounsaturated fats and vitamin content. They are rich in vitamin C and E, which are known for their anti-aging properties and ability to delay visible signs of aging. Additionally, the resveratrol found in peanuts is a powerful anti-aging compound that can help you achieve clear and glowing skin. Peanuts are also rich in B vitamins, which are converted into biotin in the body and can promote hair growth. 9. Helps fight depression. Peanuts contain tryptophan, a compound that plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin, an important brain chemical that regulates mood. When you experience depression, there may be a decrease in serotonin released from nerve cells in the brain. Eating peanuts, which are a good source of tryptophan, can help increase serotonin production, leading to better mental health. 10. Lowers blood sugar levels. Peanuts have a low glycemic index score of 14, which means that adding them to your meal won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet and a diabetes superfood. The fiber present in peanuts helps lower blood sugar levels, along with magnesium and other healthy oils that they contain. According to a study, eating peanuts in the morning can help regulate blood sugar levels throughout the day, and it has also been shown to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in participants. Peanuts are rich in various nutrients such as monounsaturated fat, fiber, arginine, niacin, folate, and vitamin E, which contribute to their favorable impact on blood sugar levels. 11. Boosts fertility. Peanuts are a good source of folate, a nutrient that can enhance fertility. According to a study, consuming 400 micrograms of folic acid, which is abundant in folate, can improve fertility. Folate also provides great immunity to newborns and reduces the risk of miscarriages. Furthermore, it lowers the risk of abnormalities and the likelihood of neural or physiological conditions. 12. Reduces risk of Alzheimer's disease. Peanuts are a good source of vitamin E and the B vitamin niacin, both of which are beneficial for brain health. A study found that niacin obtained from food was effective in reducing cognitive decline in adults aged 65 and over. On the other hand, high consumption of vitamin E through foods such as peanuts may lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease by as much as 70%. Therefore, peanuts are a promising food for maintaining brain health. 13. Rich in biotin. Peanuts are a top dietary source of biotin, also known as vitamin H, vitamin B7, or vitamin B8. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin that easily dissolves in the body and is involved in various enzymatic reactions. During pregnancy, biotin is particularly important, as even a mild deficiency can increase the risk of birth defects. In addition, research suggests that biotin may be helpful in treating multiple sclerosis, diabetes, and some brain conditions. Adults should aim to consume at least 30 micrograms of biotin per day, and a quarter-cup serving of peanuts can provide more than 26 micrograms of this essential nutrient. 14. Builds muscles. Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial to gaining perfect muscles, in addition to regular exercise at the gym. Peanuts can be a valuable addition to a bodybuilding diet due to their cholesterol-free protein content, dietary fiber, and essential minerals. They also contain calcium, which is necessary for bone growth and development. Incorporating pull-ups into your daily exercise routine can also have a multitude of health benefits, including building muscle. To learn more about the effects of daily pull-ups on your body, check out the video titled, "Doing Pull-Ups Every Day Would Do This to Your Body." 15. Increased lifespan. Including peanuts in your diet may contribute to a longer lifespan, according to a study. The research revealed that individuals who consumed nuts, including peanuts, on a regular basis had a lower risk of dying from any cause compared to those who seldom ate nuts. It should be noted that since the study was observational, it cannot establish a cause-and-effect relationship between peanut consumption and lower mortality rates, although the two are linked. 16. Good for children. Peanuts provide additional nutrition for toddlers, due to the presence of carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients, which are essential for their growth and development. You can incorporate peanuts into your children's breakfast to enjoy these benefits. However, before making peanuts a regular part of your diet, it is important to keep a few things in mind. 1. Toxin poisoning. Peanuts may be contaminated with a type of mold that generates a toxin, which can be harmful to human health. Symptoms of poisoning include loss of appetite and yellowing of the eyes, which are indicative of liver problems. In severe cases, liver failure and liver cancer may develop. The probability of contamination depends on the storage conditions of peanuts, particularly in warm and humid climates, such as in the tropics. Proper drying of peanuts after harvest and keeping humidity and temperature low during storage can effectively prevent contamination. 2. Anti-nutrients. Peanuts possess several anti-nutrients, which are compounds that impede nutrient absorption and decrease their nutritional quality. Among these anti-nutrients, phytic acid is of particular significance. It is present in all edible seeds, nuts, legumes, and grains, and its concentration in peanuts ranges from 1 to 5%. Phytic acid reduces the bioavailability of iron and zinc in peanuts, slightly lowering their nutritional value. However, this is generally not a concern for people with well-balanced diets who regularly consume meat. Nonetheless, it can be an issue in developing countries where grains and legumes are the primary food sources. 3. Allergies. Peanuts are a prevalent source of food allergy, affecting around 1% of Americans. This allergy can be life-threatening and is often regarded as one of the most severe allergens. It is crucial for individuals with this allergy to completely avoid peanuts and all peanut-derived products. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.